In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix agent activation runtime 15.831 high CPU and memory consumption error. So to resolve this issue, click on Start, then type CMD. Now open command prompt. Now you need to type net space stop space audio SRV. Now press enter. Then you need to type net start space audio SRV. Then press enter. That's it. Now close and restart your PC. So hopefully guys, using these simple and easy steps you can resolve and fix agent activation runtime 15831 high CPU and memory consumption error. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not.